In this video, I am continuing my balancing of the tension of the partner spokes on this side of the wheel that I'm in the process of truing. So I come up here to where the valve stem hole is. I'm working on this side, checking out the tension here. I've got 24, and its partner, again, the partner spoke is the spoke that it touches. Its partner is 24.8. 24.8 versus what appears now to be 24.2. That is close enough. So these two here, this is 26.1, and this is 25.7, so that's close enough. So now what we got here is 24, and this one here is coming in at like 21.2. So this spoke that my finger's on needs to be tightened. Now these two nipple wrenches that I have, this one seemed to be stripping my nipples a little, but this one here fits on three sides, and it's getting caught because the spokes are bent where they go into the nipple. So I'm going to make the conservative choice and choose my spoke wrench that isn't my nipple wrench, that isn't bending, that isn't stripping my nipples. So I want to loosen this one, say a quarter. See, so that's kind of stuck on there. And then tighten this one a quarter. So now we have is this one says 25.9, and this one says 24. So this one needs to be tightened. So I want to tighten this one 3/8. Tightening a quarter, tightening 3/8. And now I'll loosen this one 3/8. Loosening a quarter, loosening 3/8. And then I'll go like this, really hard. Check the tension in an effort to balance the tension. Some would say equal the tension. Now this one's only 20.8. And this is 25. So things are going haywire here. So this one here that my finger's on needs to be tightened a lot. I'm going to tighten it a whole turn. Tightening half, tightening one turn, and its partner, I'm going to loosen it a whole turn. Loosening a half, loosening a whole turn. This is coming in at 23.2, and this is 22.5. So I will loosen this one just a little bit. I'm going to loosen it 1/8, and then I'll tighten this one 1/8. Here's the nipple wrench getting stuck on there. Okay, so let's see where we ended up there. This is 22.6, and this is 22.4, so that's very close. So here's another set of partner spokes. This is showing me 27, and this is showing me 24. So the one that my finger's on needs to be tightened. So I'm going to tighten it, say 3/8. So here I'm going to tighten it 3/8. There's a quarter, there's 3/8. And I'm going to loosen this one 3/8. Loosening a quarter, loosening 3/8. Do this to relieve the tension in the spokes. This is showing me 25.8, and this is showing me 24. So this one needs to be tightened just a little. So I'm going to tighten it 1/8. Here I am tightening it 1/8. And then I'll loosen its partner 1/8 here. This is fighting me. So I don't mind fighting with the nipple wrench because it fits on there so tightly, but I don't want to strip my nipple. So I tried to lift it straight off there. So now I was going to loosen this one 1/8. Do this again to relieve tension and see how I did at balancing the tension on the partner spokes. This is 25.9 and this is 24.8. So this one needs to be tightened just a little more. So I'm going to tighten it 1/8. Here I am tightening it 1/8. And then I'll loosen its partner the same amount, which is 1/8. Do this really hard. So you get rid of any spoke twisting up. So this is 25.2. And this is 25.3. So that's just about perfect. Here's a new set of partner spokes. This will be the last one in this video. Checking the tension. I have 23.2. And this is 23.7. That is close enough. I'm going to put the tension meter here because I'm going to take a break, and now I'll know where to start when I start up again.